3, 2, 1.
Yeah, our company name is Telemetry. Our company founded yesterday.
We are from Bulo. Our company name is Bulo. Our company founded in... Oh, wow.
How? It's okay, we just founded yesterday, but we already received the award of being the best technology company in the world. I'm best friend with the technology company.
And our product is...
Okay, so the shower cream.
Okay, for one tissue roll, it's just $20.
Not $20.
In what situation you can use this product?
we make it very graphic if you don't mind it. One drop. So you don't
Just
need
one drop.
Just one drop.
Yeah.
If you shower like
1 year.
Investors, are you willing to invest?
no.
Why?
What about second investor?
Mine, I think one drop is not actually possible in real life, so I'm not really... I'm half, 50%, 50%.
So I think the investors like this product.
200,000.
200,000.
Oh, damn.
So for 200,000, do you accept our offer?
Yes, we accept.
Yes. Something is better than nothing.
Yep.
So you won't go to other investors?
No, we
We
stay
won't go.
loyal
We
to
will stay
our
with you,
jury
yes.
members.
Yay!
Oh my god, yes. Thank you, Magic White. Very fun.
Very fun.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
You need to sell something that is not even, introduced to us previously. So it was a new experience for me.